Yep. So it was only right to start y'all off, cause it's been a minute. I ain't posted. Had to get my positive energy balance back. Had to take a break. But you know, the process was ongoing. Shout out to the wife. She made this for me for my birthday. Y'all know what time it is, Joker gang. But yeah, so it's been a minute since I posted a video, so I just had to start off like this because, you know, this is the official office. So it was only right that I, you know, kicked it off like this, where it's finna be going down at. And, you know, I hope everybody been having a positive 2-3 weeks since the last time I posted and all of that, but it's time to show y'all what we got going on, show y'all some of the updates in the office, because obviously I'm comfortable enough to just be in here chilling. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to y'all. So destination number 1, we're at the office, and I actually have an update to give y'all for the cameras, which is going to revolve around us making some minor tweaks. But you see the office still going strong. This camera right here, y'all can see, is currently in my office because I had to take it down for some troubleshooting. And though I like the read links, I like them. They've been holding it down. This is their problem. Now this isn't the whole waterproof connector. Like it all this be in their house with that little gasket right there. But overall, it sucks with keeping water out, and it causes the cameras to go on the fritz. So I done already sent one back. By the time the next one came in, the other one went bad, but I took it out the rain, let it dry, plugged it back in, been troubleshooting in here, and it's been working fine. So I'm gonna probably use some shrink wraps and try to go ahead and protect the outer wire. But overall, this is the office. Got my space heater. Got the TV mounted, which, you know, I'm waiting on an HDMI cable to come so I can do a split HDMI so I can see the cameras on both TVs or both monitors, because that's not a TV. But yeah, so, oh, hold on, what else? Got the thermostat installed, working good. Got the light switch dimmer, working good. Gonna put another light switch dimmer in here. Lights is all up and running. Electrical sockets all up and running. Waiting on my AC guys to give me some quotes. But yeah, you know, where the potential TV gonna go, so we can you know, vibe out in this joint. Bathroom almost ready. Well, the bathroom is usable. It's ready. But I ain't got no roof, so I gotta get a roof, remount that fan. Still gotta replace this door now. I can't figure out how to take it off. The back, yes sir. Finish. Same thing, just waiting on the vents. But I love these shop lights. And overall, all this is, you know, really good. Got my high mounts, my high electrical sockets for the equipment. Overall, that's what we got going on in this one. And I'll show y'all the updates in building 2 in just a second. Before I walk in there, we got light coverage around the whole building. This the camera I had to take down to troubleshoot, but man, so far, we good on the light. We just missing the red light we're working on. Let's see what's going on in the salon.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah, here knocking out the last little piece of this electrical. Yeah, Mr. Tony, I'm gonna tag y'all. Y'all need an electrician. But he been getting me right. TV mount. Yeah. All this. So his next stop, we're gonna come in here. We're gonna have 2 sockets on this wall for the youngest things and all of that. I still got some more outdoor lighting we gotta knock out, but so we about, how much you think we done? About 90% done?
Yep.
Yeah. So we're gonna be live. Got all my new wall plates. Everywhere popping, you know, this bathroom being ready to go. Just gonna hang this up because I ain't had the tools to do it when I was doing it, so you're gonna knock that out for me. Still waiting on my window. Yeah. But overall, it's been an amazing process. Get that window, get the back door. We're gonna be rolling. We gonna be rolling. Yeah. Got the layers to come in. Boy, Johnny gonna come in and finish doing that so we can drop that part 2 video. But overall, almost ready. Yeah. You turn the light off? Oh, it's cold. Yeah, I don't think y'all seen this since we cleaned it up in here, but this gonna be phase 2 once we get the vents and everything done. Cause I ain't want to pull that down in dust and all that come down. We gotta mop that up again. But once we mop, touch up paint, ventilation, get my TV mounted, the barbershop gonna be cracking. Ain't nothing else in here to do in the barbershop besides get my salon equipment and just clean. Everything ready to go. Might decide to paint these doors. I think I am. I think I'm gonna paint them. See what paint I'm left over with. Might paint these doors. But other than that, got my thermostat finally cut on and work like it was supposed to. Other than that, we finished. Still waiting on the back gutter, you know. But yeah, we finna be rocking out. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Love y'all. Y'all be safe.